Hey everybody, this video we're going to use our Cuisinartt egg cooker here to make an omelet, and we're going to do an onion omelet. So we got a quarter onion, 3 eggs, and what we're going to do this here is we got our ultimate chopper, you know, straight out of the early 2000 infomercials, and 2018 still working. So put our egg or our onion into that. All nice and chopped up, and we got our Chili's margarita mixer. All right, and we got 3 eggs. All right, we got to make sure they're all mixed up here. Nice consistency and everything. All right, and just need to add water. Lid. Power. And we'll just fire this guy up. Take about 10 or 15 minutes to cook. And we'll be right back. All right, that took about 13 minutes. And switch it off. Yeah. Lid off of there. Oops. All right. And there's what we got here. It's like a onion infused omelet or something, I guess. I don't know. So cut it here. That gets the onions, you know, spread throughout it and makes it, you know, kind of edible. You know, eggs are kind of gross, but with the onion in there, they're not too bad. And I guess if you like the video, subscribe. If you don't like it, subscribe anyway. And until next time.